Well, it is fair to say that I am a little bit excited about this one. This is my third Melgeek keyboard. I've got the Melgeek Walnut Edition, the 65 Walnut Edition. I've got the Melgeek Mojo68 Wandering Earth Special Edition keyboard. I was in the group buy to get these and I pulled out at the last minute. Just because I had some other keyboard stuff that I wanted to get. I really hate group buys. I really hate group buys. I've done a few of them, but I'm not keen on them at all. But then, lo and behold, they've started to have these things in stock, and I'm super excited for the Melgeek Mojo68 because I've managed to get the style that I wanted as soon as it come out. I managed to get it with free shipping from China, and I know that it's going to be absolutely awesome out of the box. I know that because I've already taken it out. I cannot wait to start videos to take these things out of the box, but I'm going to do a proper unboxing with you. I've not taken the film and stuff off it and all that stuff. I've just had to have a quick jam at typing with it because I know it's supposed to be so good out of the box. I've got it with the Gateron Milky Yellows switches in it, so yeah, even better. So let's have a look. So the foam is attached to the lid there to hold it all in nice in place. Let's get the keyboard out of the way and just have a look at what's underneath. So obviously the instruction manual, which I don't really care about right now because I'm so excited about the keyboard. A nice little box of goodies, which you can imagine what this is going to be, because I need another keycap puller because I've only got 58 million of them so far. So you've got the dongle, you've got the keycap puller, you've got just a pretty basic cable. They don't send braided cables normally with the Melgeeks. And then you've got the Mac keys and stuff in there, I guess. Yeah. And that's all the extras that I don't really care about, so we're just going to sling those all back in the box and forget about those for a minute. And then did I miss that? Yeah, that was the dongle. And then let's just have a look at this little beauty. Oh my word. I love the style of Melgeek keyboards. Absolutely love it. This, I think is the nicest looking one I've seen yet. It's covered in plastic, so we'll just start removing all of this. Way too excited to do all of this properly. God, it's just an absolute, I love, if you look at, I don't know if you can see my keyboards behind you, I've got the NK65 Super User Edition is a smoky keyboard. My Wuche Studios revision, the version 1 is the Icky 68 Aurora, is the charcoal edition. So this sort of colorway is just right up my street. I really like the purple one as well, but I went for this one because it just fits on my shelf perfectly, and I'm probably going to end up getting some of the other ones anyway. Ooh. I'm going to take this apart and have a look inside and stuff later on, probably in this video, maybe in a second one. But primarily what I wanted to do here was I wanted to get the keyboard open so as I can start using it, because I want to use it in its stock configuration for a while before I start looking to mod it, because it's just so good straight out of the box. The only thing is perhaps this is a little bit too glossy and sticky and going to get dirty quite easily, but we'll see how that goes. But what I want to do real quickly is just give you like a real quick stock sound test of this thing. I've done absolutely nothing to this. The stabilizers have come lubed, they're plate mounted stabilizers. I've had a look, it's got unlubed Milky Yellows in there, and just listen to this. Obviously the spacebar can do with a little bit for sure. I mean, just how good is that for like a stock keyboard? I'm going to have to connect it up to my iPad and do just a real quick typing test there. So it's Bluetooth mode is over to the left with the switch as you look at it. In the middle, I guess, is wired mode. And then to the right will be dongle mode. So if you stick it to the left, you've got 8, I think there's like 8 devices that you can connect this to. I connected it to my work laptop earlier on. So if I go Bluetooth 3 and stick it on my iPad, other devices, so it's just come up Melgeek C3 because I've got number 3 selected. Pair, connected, super quick. So let's go to monkey type. And let's just try a quick typing test. I've got to go again. Obviously that was a terrible typing test because I got almost no words right, but oh man, it's by far, and I mean by far, I'm a huge fan of iQnix keyboards, out-the-box keyboards. I just don't like the CoStar stabs. What else am I a huge fan of? The NK65s are good, obviously, but they're like a bare bones keyboard. This is just far and away that even the Melgeek Mojo68 Moss edition, which was the Wandering Earth Special Edition keyboard, that wasn't particularly good out of the box. It needed a lot of work doing to it. This keyboard is absolutely phenomenal out of the box. For most people who just want to buy a custom keyboard or just want to buy a mechanical keyboard and get using it, this is as good, if not better, than most of the keyboards I modded when I first started out. It really needs for nothing unless you're a real enthusiast. I'm going to do stuff to the keyboard. I'm going to lube the switches. I find it unbelievable that these switches aren't lubed, actually. I don't know how that can be. I'll have to check. I don't think they're pre-lubed, but they really do feel pre-lubed. Maybe they are. I know that the stabilizers are lubed, but yeah, just out of the box, you've seen me just fire it up, get going with typing test. It's an absolutely beautiful keyboard. It's absolutely stunning to use out of the box, and I can't wait to get it apart and just do a little. I may not even take it apart. I may just work in the top of it. I may just take the switches out and see if they're lubed, work on the stabilizers and leave it at that. This is an absolutely phenomenal keyboard. I think I'm probably just going to leave it at that for this video because it keeps it nice and short and sweet. I can do a more sort of proper typing test. This isn't my usual microphone setup, but $209 I think it was. Should have been like $50 to ship it over here, which is extortionate, but I managed to get free shipping. The people at Melgeek are really nice. I said to them, look, I want to buy all of your keyboards, every single one, and they said, look, we know that the import fees into Spain are significant, so get in contact with us and we'll give you a bit of discount. So great company, great keyboards. Absolutely love the Melgeek Mojo68, especially in this nifty little colorway. Look out for the typing test that I'll do when I've modded this. I may do, depending on how that typing test turned out, I may include like a pre-mod and a post-mod typing test for this one. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and go and get yourself a Melgeek Mojo68 now.